Well, now to the painkiller that Layne Beachley credits with helping her win a world surfing title. It's a high-tech device that's easy to use and fits in the palm of your hand.
I got my life back, basically. I got my life back.
And the results were pretty immediate. You know, I noticed a reduction in pain quite considerably from the first treatment.
I still can't believe it.
Pain. From time to time, we all suffer from it, but some sufferers claim they've eliminated it.
I'm going to set the energy level. You just tell me when it's quite comfortable.
Meg Middleton says she was once crippled with pain from scoliosis.
I was in constant pain. It was like a crab claw in the middle of my back.
After 10 disappointing years of physiotherapy, she came across the SCENAR device.
After about the second treatment, that just disappeared. I was absolutely gobsmacked.
No operation, no drugs.
I'm a new person.
Therapist Chris Mortensen claims the handheld battery-operated SCENAR does one simple task to help the body heal naturally.
It sends an electrical signal through the skin, through the nervous system to the brain, and stimulates the brain to release its own endorphins for pain relief and also neuropeptides for healing.
The theory is the SCENAR can help the body to get better if it freezes up after a trauma.
And with SCENAR, what we do is we're able to find that area that's stuck and give the body a little bit of push to let it resolve the problem.
I couldn't believe it.
Long-distance runner Nicholas Grayson says he's pounding the pavement again after giving up his sport with pain from a hamstring injury. His wife put him onto that buzzer after trying it once just before she was to have an operation on her shoulder for a torn ligament.
And 3.5 years later, still no pain.
One session?
One session.
Fact, but 7 times world champion surfer Layne Beachley looked like being a 6 times world champ.
A wave landed on the back of my neck and pushed one of my vertebrae into my spinal cord.
That happened just after her 6th title.
It's a really clear protrusion into my spinal cord, and that's what was causing all the atrophy and pain and
I
numbness.
feel sore looking at that.
I feel sorry for myself.
Yeah. That wave was about to prove career-ending.
I was literally paralysed. I couldn't put my hands on my head. I couldn't turn to the left. I couldn't lie on my back, on my stomach, on my side. I could only lie on my right side.
And all the physios, osteos and chiros were having little effect.
I had been getting every treatment you can possibly imagine, from physiotherapy to acupuncture and massage. I even took my massage therapist and acupuncturist to Hawaii with me because it was that was where I was competing to win the world titles.
Then she says she tried that device. And the rest is history. Electrostimulating devices aren't new. In fact,
it's been around in Russia for 25 years. At the moment, it's in the majority of Russian hospitals in their rehabilitation wards.
It's now got a fairly good evidence base for the management of pain in particular.
At Griffith University in Queensland, electrotherapy specialist Lisa Lardo advises first-time users.
I think the important thing here is that the device is used under the supervision and guidance of a health practitioner to start with.
Is it safe?
Totally safe. It's a device that's put on the skin. It doesn't hurt. I treat anything from babies to small children to old people.
Many people are suffering chronic pain, and I think it's important in that situation, if they're really struggling with their current treatments, that this is a good, viable alternative.
We gave the device to surgeon Ross Walker.
It has a good scientific basis in that it releases the happy chemicals called endorphins in your brain, and it also has specific effects on the nerve to the damaged areas. So I think it's a good thing for people to try. It's harmless, it's not going to hurt them, and if it gives them some pain relief, I think it's a very good idea.
Some users claim it does a lot more than just that, although anything other than assisting with pain relief has not been scientifically proven nor approved. No one is saying this is a miracle cure, but there is a growing number of one-time pain sufferers who claim they're now pain-free.
Well, I love it because it allowed me to win my 7th world title.
Big recommendation, and the SCENAR has been listed by the Therapeutic Goods Administration as a Class 2 low-risk medical device. But of course, if you have any concerns about pain, the first thing you should do is see your doctor.